Good morning, students. Lesson 4, Introduction of Publisher 2013. Our today's topic is Connecting Text Boxes in Publisher 2013. So watch the video and learn about it. Creating a new blank publication. For creating your own publication design, you can start by selecting a blank template in Publisher. So for this, click the blank thumbnail in the starting screen of Publisher. This is blank portrait. Now, let's insert 3 text boxes on the page. See figure 4.19 in page 71. So, first of all, we insert 3 text boxes. Draw text box. This is one. You can give the effects so you can see text boxes. Now, this is our second text box. And this is third text box. So like this you have to insert first of all 3 text boxes here, which is shown in your book. Now, as you work with text boxes, you might find that a text box is not large enough to contain the entire text you want to include. When you run out of space for text, you can use the linking feature to connect text boxes. Once 2 or more text boxes are connected, text will overflow or continue from one text box to next. So, see in the page number 71, one paragraph is given of my favorite hobby. I have already typed this paragraph in Word. Now, I copy this paragraph, select all, copy and paste this in the Publisher page in this text box. Now, if I increase the font of this, you can see the space is running out. It is not fit in this text box. So you can connect this with this second text box. See here now. You will notice that the text does not fit in the text box. To accommodate the complete text, you can link the left and right text boxes. For this, select the left text box. Select this left text box. Click the text box tools. You can see here text box tools. Then in the linking group, click create link. Create link. The cursor changes to the link, a picture or a jug icon. Click in the next text box that you want to link to. In this case, it is the text box on the right side. Now, these both text boxes are linked. So you can see here the continuation of text in both the text boxes. If you click on this, you can see this arrow. If you click on this arrow, your cursor is coming to the left text box. Left text box is selected now. If you click on this arrow, you can see the right text box is selected now. So, these both text boxes are linked together. So, children, practice this, how to create link in the text boxes.